Kahamwanya uri principal judge yakirwa parade ya polisi nabanyuma nuko kubyara umutahamwanya nk'ekishikizo amwe n'akabonero ka rukundo.
Yes, it has the favorable
Umbutumwa bwe bwashomwa Honorable Lamuna Pamela Okai urukarani wa High Court yahiga abantu b'ikicekeki okwatanisa na Kooti okurwanisa obushomankuzi obukwatira hansi na higuru mu ihanga.
I urge you to be part of the success you want to see, to shun corruption, be ready to proceed with your cases as scheduled by court.
Muringo ngogumwe yanangiriza abantu ba Rwenzori kureba kango bakozesa Kooti okubasa kutunga buringaniza.
Getting to a court easily is one thing. What happens there is of equal importance. Quality justice, professionalism, integrity, accountability, transparency, independence, impartiality, and equality are ideals held dear to us.
Ugurigira hari Justice Ime Vincent Mugabo uri senior resident judge wa Fort Portal High Court nagira ngo iki kizireho bwanyuma ya chairperson w'entebe ya katanu wa district ya Kasese ukushaba kuba bombekera High Court umuri Kasese bwanyuma yo kugira ngo abayiri hariho buremezi butara bumwe na bumwe mu district ya Kasese.
When I visited Kasese Chief Magistrate's Court, the chairperson LC5 petitioned for 2 items at the court open day. What I could promise was one, that we could deliver Kasese High Court.
Muringo ngogume Justice Mugabo washoborera abantu ba Kasese babiri batungo buremezi ubukuzo mu rembo rwa Fort Portal abo kugira ngo bari mu ciceka cicarami kandi no remero wabo turwineka kwate no rwa Fort Portal.
I communicated to the Honorable Principal Judge and gave him the rationale that the court users were hindered by one, the geographical constraints, the language barrier, lack of transport, and it was very expensive for litigants to attend court in Fort Portal High Court.
Yobikiriyaho Justice David Samson Makumbi uri muramuzi wa Kooti Enkuru muri Kasese yashoboreremo hamishango yabasize kucwa ombero bice ibaherize umwanyogo.
The circuit has primarily been active mainly in criminal sessions, of which so far we have handled 2, 1 to completion and 1 is still ongoing.
Mbegambo bye Honorable Justice Dr. Flavian Zeija uri principal judge ashoboriringwa kana kabonero kamani abo abantu ba Kasese okutunga High Court icyagize nkija kubahwera manonga okutunga uburinganiza mu giceka cyabo.
And I'm glad that the district, the RDC and the entire team, including the member of parliament, have been clearly indicating that they are working well with the judicial officers.
Muringo ngogume Honorable Justice Dr. Flavian Zeija ashoboriringu ekitongore kiramzo mu ihanga ndicenda kutwara umbeceka byihanga bitari mu namwe Kooti rikujuriramu nko muringo gwo kw'abantu buhereza ubwatariri n'ibyamateka.
So I know that the judiciary will continue prioritizing the justice needs of all court users. Easy accessible by all Ugandans, we shall not only ensure easy access to the courts, but also make the courts centers of excellent judicial services that foster justice for all.
Ayonjire yayihanangiriza abantu mu kicekeki okugumara bakozesa oburyo bundi obwo kugonjora obutekerezana batakagire mu Kooti.
You have a cultural institution, and within that institution you can easily use it for purposes of mediating people who have disputes. Instead of coming to court here wasting time, you can easily solve those problems like family matters.
Abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe mu district ya Kasese basimire kitongore kiramzi abo kubashya Kooti Enkuru.
Our people in Kasese, whenever they would go for high court services in Fort Portal, some of them would fail, raise even money for transport, upkeep in Fort Portal, and at the end of the day they would give up and they lose the cases as a result of not attending us.
I want to thank government for this initiative, that now for us in Kasese the question of case backlog is being answered today.
Makuraga gasha kwa Gerard Muhindo aba Sky TV agenshonga muri Kasese.
I hereby declare the High Court of Kasese officially open.